Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss on how you can make money with ChatGPT. A powerful language model trained by OpenAI, ChatGPT can help you make money by using its advanced natural language processing capabilities to automate tasks and generate content. Alright, coming to the topic of our video transcription services. Making money with ChatGPT by using it to transcribe audio and video content is one of the easiest ways of making money that you can do working from your home. ChatGPT can quickly transcribe audio and video files into text format, making it a valuable tool for individuals and businesses that need transcription services. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT for transcription services to make money. Step 1. Learn about transcription before you start offering transcription services. It's important to have a good understanding of what transcription is and how it works. Step 2. Get transcription tools to provide transcription services. You'll need some tools to help you, such as ExpressScribe, that can help you transcribe more efficiently. Download and install ExpressScribe to start transcribing using ExpressScribe. You'll need to download and install the software on your computer. You can download it from the NCH software website. Open the audio or video file once you've installed ExpressScribe. You can open the audio or video file that you want to transcribe. To do this, click on File in the top menu and select Open. Browse to the location of the file on your computer and select it. Before you start transcribing, it's important to familiarize yourself with the interface of ExpressScribe. Playback controls and options for adjusting the speed and pitch of the recording. You can adjust the speed of the recording to make it easier to transcribe. Place your cursor in the text box at the bottom of the screen and start typing what you hear. You can use the playback controls to pause, rewind, and fast forward as needed. You can also use the foot pedal if you have one to control the playback. You can save your transcript. To do this, click on File in the top menu and select Save. You can save the file in a variety of formats, including Word, RTF, and plain text. That's it. By following these steps, you can use ExpressScribe to transcribe audio or video files more efficiently. Step 3. Offer your services on ChatGPT. You can create a profile on ChatGPT and offer your services as an expert. You can set your own rates and availability. Step 4. Communicate with clients. This includes the length of the audio or video recording, the turnaround time. Step 5. Transcribe the audio or video recording. Once you have all the information you need, you can start transcribing the audio or video recording. Step 6. Get paid for your services. When you've completed the transcription, you can submit it to the client through ChatGPT. You'll get paid for your services. ChatGPT takes a commission. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with your friends.